Today we're going to be unboxing this Aquarium Heater. This one is the 300 watt, rated for 40 to 75 gallons. This is 120 volts to 60 hertz. Alright, we got your user manual. Things that probably help you attach. Got your suction cups. Gives you extras. There's 3. Here's the heater. It's nice and slim. And you got your little box where you see the temperature on here. You got a nice long cord. So you'll be able to put this somewhere. I bet you that's what these are for, so you can attach it where you need. Always make sure you read your user manual before setting up. So this one you cannot put horizontally, but you can do a vertical and then slightly on an angle. So there's 2 holes in the back. Set up your suction cups. Oop, got those ready. I will go over the error codes real quickly. E0 means shut off your water. Shut off the power because it's not submerged in the water. Then E6, E7, E8, or E9, the temperature circuit is open. It says please contact service for processing. Oh goodness, so that would be really bad. Okay, so you press and hold the set button for 5 seconds to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's already set on Fahrenheit, and then you just push the set button to set it between 59 and 94 degrees. So I'm going to show you all how to set this up in our tank right behind me. Okay, loves. All right, so I'm going to be setting this up. When you set up your heater, you want to try getting it towards a source of flow or an intake tube, so then the water gets put back that's warm. And also when you are setting up, plugging it in, you always want to make sure you have a drip loop, just in case, God forbid, water starts dripping. You're safe from it going directly into your outlet. This little piece right here is to hook your box for your setting. And we're going to stick ours over here. Fit perfectly. So once you have, make sure your heater is submerged before you ever plug in your cord. Alright, loves, so this one right here is the current temperature in your tank, and then this is the temperature that it is set to. So we're going to want this tank probably, like 82? So you just push the set button to adjust it. Alright, so now we have it set to 82. And this means that it is heating up currently right now. Then I'm going to just hang this box back up. I set it up over here with the things provided. And that's all I need to show you on the heater. I hope y'all enjoyed and you learned something new.